Morning guys, welcome to the Caravan and Camping Show at the NEC. My main goal here is to have a look at different interiors and see which one would be better suited to my van. So if you'd like to see how I get on, please make sure you subscribe. There is the most amazing video coming up soon about some ideas for an interior that you will not want to miss. So please make sure you subscribe. Enjoy the video. This is beautiful. Beautiful colours.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this is very much like my old van interior. Nice colours as well.
Shut up.
That's nice because that goes all the way through to the back.
Yeah. Just open that door, please.
This one.
So you wouldn't have the sink. You've got loads of storage under there.
Look at this thing here. I'm saying thing because I don't know what it is, but it looks awesome. That's yeah, fantastic.
Need something to it then.
Gosh, it's called a Gladiator Life Package starting at 13 grand. This one's 20 grand, but it is amazing. That's on the back of a truck. The price of this one is 76 grand. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really lovely. Look at the size of this one. That one's viewing by appointment only. So this one is my favourite so far. It's on a Peugeot Boxer body, 59,000, and it just has so much space. It's amazing. Beautiful van. This is awesome. 59 grand for all this. Tent box, yeah.
You see that? I think that if we could integrate that into your van. Quite nice, a sort of driftwood approach, isn't it? I would go with the orange and black.
Yeah, I really like this colour. That's beautiful.
like driftwood, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the colour, I think, definitely.
Yeah. And a black countertop.
Yeah,
Or white.
black countertop.
Yeah.
Are you requiring any help? Next thing we can
VW campers, my favourite.
do blue Volkswagen.
Look at the colour of this. This is insane.
Revolting.
Oh, I love it. I've got an air beam for the camper van and it's just so easy to put up. Thanks for watching, guys. Video out in the next couple of days about an amazing idea for camper van interiors. Take care. See you then. Bye bye.